Alright, this is an update on what we're working on in terms of the first space drone at that size over there again. This right here is not going to change, and that's not changing in what we said before. But we have figured out how to get past computing overall and leaving it intact, since that would be mostly something similar to a computer case filled with coils, wires, circuit breakers, and various other electrical components. Each electrical component is connected to not to power something just necessarily to generate power, but it will be also generating power connected to coils. Each coil will perform a large amount of computing or non-computing in various tasks, non-task, and all hyperactive sources, spatial pressure calculations, and all the calculators via the transceiver, which will be connected to, and any other device that will be used as a space drone, and it's largely to generate levitation. We have also figured out another way to use magnetic levitation. That will be just by generating magnetic levitation normally in terms of a USB, and then you would generate the magnetic field powering the levitation through the entire magnetic field throughout the not above or below but in a torus shape, and the torus shape would have to be enlarged to another scale. So if you want to levitate something with, say, the mass, the size of 600 feet, then you would make a magnetic levitation USB device that can reach 600 feet of magnetic forces. And the magnetic forces will have to be in the field around the 600 feet area, and then the levitation will be poured through that area rather than just levitating in the vector. Because right now most people only know magnetic levitation in a vector, so you will remove that vector and change the vector to a area, and that's about it. That's what we're talking about. We're making a power generation electrical PC without electrical wires, no motherboard, no breadboards, no boards at all. Thanks, bye.